Hey guys, so I am back with another video. So I've been wanting to do an Amazon favorites video for a while because I love watching those videos and I'm like such a Amazon addict. And I saw recently that Amazon Prime Day is coming up July 15th and 16th. So I was like, okay, let me get my butt, get up off the couch, get these product items together because these are actually like beauty must-haves that I've bought and tried before, and I truly recommend them. So I'm going to show some of my beauty must-haves I use in my personal, on myself, as well as in my pro kit. And there are some like very affordable ones in here, as well as like some nice luxury ones. But all of these I'm going to link below, so I get the Amazon affiliate links for and a little bit of commission. So feel free to purchase from my links. If not, cool. Just these are really good ones, I promise. So I have a list here. I actually scoured the deals section under the beauty, and I made a list of all the things that I recommend. Some of them I have them in here in person, and some of them I have like in my kit or I've used them in the past. So I'll try to like either show you the product or have like a screenshot of the product itself. So the first thing I have is the Mighty Hero Patches, pimple patches. So about a year ago when I turned 40, I went through this crazy hormonal chin thing where I was like breaking out my chin over and over, and it was so bad. And it wasn't until I started using those hero patches that things started to turn around. I was using other patches that weren't working. I was using like salicylic acid treatments and things. Nothing was working. So then I put it on and I would just notice a huge difference like overnight. I would especially wear it overnight, and then I started not caring and I would just wear them during the day. So if you have issues with acne, or you have the occasional one that pops up, it's good to just have these on hand so that immediately you can pop them on and you'll be good to go. So in addition to that, I actually have the COSRX Master Patch Original Fit ones. So once I ran out of my hero ones, I bought these because I'm a big COSRX fan, and these were actually more affordable. And I love that these have multiple shapes. So if you have a big pimple or a little pimple, there's multiple sizes. As you can see, I've used them. These come in clutch, man. Sometimes what I'll even do is I'll put my tretinoin on, like an actual pimple, which I have one here, so I'm going to use it tonight. And then I'll let it dry a little bit, and then I'll put this on top, and it makes a huge difference. It like kind of like keeps the treatment on overnight. And like I said, I wear it during the day. So I actually I never used to break out, but like once I hit 40, something weird was happening to my skin. So I definitely recommend these. Something else on my list from COSRX is their Stale Mucin. So this went viral, and I was actually surprised at how affordable this is, because like serums and skincare can be really pricey, especially like Korean brands. But I love that how affordable and good this brand is. I use this like as a hydrating serum. So I'll wash, tone, put this on, and then moisturize. And if you're a dry skin girly, you have to use something like this. Moisturizer will not cut it. And I'll especially use this like during the winter months. Right now I'm kind of okay, but I will have this when it starts to get cold. This is my second bottle of it. So it's really, really nice. Very, very affordable. Might as well catch it when it's on sale. Also on the list are Neutrogena makeup wipes. I mean, classic, right? I use them at my makeup school. I'll use them in my makeup kit, and I'll use them for myself when I travel. That's just because I don't want to use them every single day. I'll show you what I like to use to remove my makeup on a daily basis. But they can get kind of pricey, so you might as well catch them when they're on sale. Also on my list, which I don't have here but I've used multiple times, is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. So this concealer, man, it's been around forever and it's so good. The texture, it's like thin, but it covers really well. They even have corrector shades now, which is so amazing. I remember a recent client came in and she had it, and I was like, oh, I love that one. And I saw recently one of the alumni from Dance Moms, one of the dancers, I was watching her online tutorial, and she uses that still. So it's a great drugstore concealer. It's amazing for young to mature skin. Definitely check it out. Next up, I have these Grayson Stella under eye gel patches. I carry these in my kit. They are so good for people who have like fine lines. They have puffiness, dark circles. This is like my luxury bridal skincare that I put on my brides. I'll do their skincare and then leave this on under eye while I do their eyeshadow, so it has time to plump up the eyes. It makes a really big difference. I'll carry these when I travel, like on an airplane, or if I know like I had a horrible night's rest and my eyes are puffy, I will use these. They are such a treat, and they're really, it's a good one. I love that they are on Amazon and they're pretty affordable compared to some of the other ones. Okay, so if you're looking for a good waterproof mascara, the Better Than Sex has a waterproof version, y'all. I'm super lucky. I'll be honest, I'm on their PR list, so I got to try it from them. But I need waterproof mascaras in my professional makeup kit because I work with a lot of brides, and you must have waterproof mascara on your wedding day. And I always recommend waterproof mascara to people who have straight lashes who want to hold their curl better. And also for summer, you know, like going to the beach, being hot outside. I use this mascara exclusively in my kit now. I just love it so much. So the waterproof is on sale. Okay guys, this is a must-have, and I'm so glad that I saw Rose and Ben use this because ever since then I was hooked. These little black triangle puffs, I use them every single time I do my makeup, literally. So I put my powder on here and I just press it. You can see I used it. And I love that these are reusable. So you just like need a pack of them so that way you can use them and then just throw them in the wash. I just put it in a delicates bag in my laundry machine, or you can hand wash it. And I actually use these on my clients too, especially if you have issues with under eye creasing. It really gets in there and you don't waste powder. And then a T-zone where you really want to push the powder in. To me, it works way better than a brush. So definitely get a pack of these on sale. Next up, this is an oldie but goodie, and I saw it on the beauty deal, so I thought I would mention it. It's the L'Oreal Mineral Foundation. When I first started YouTube, I used to use this. I remember buying it, and I was like shocked at how good of a powder foundation it is. And now, like 15 years later, it's like made a comeback. I got the shade Tan, I still remember. I loved baked mineral powders. Those are my go-to powders, even in my kit, because they're not as dry looking. They look more skin-like, and there's like a lot of swirl of colors in here, and I think that maybe that's why it's such a good shade match. So if you're looking for a good powder foundation, I definitely recommend that one. All right, y'all, this is my go-to drugstore lip gloss. I got this after watching a YouTuber talk about it, and they're amazing. The Maybelline Lifter glosses, I have this in my pro kit and in my personal kit. They're a little chunky, but they feel expensive, y'all. This is like probably a dupe to me for like the Fenty gloss bombs. This is a shade Stone. I have it on right now. Such a good mauve wearable shade. They smell like vanilla. They feel silky. That's why I like them, because they're so smooth and lightweight. Like top drugstore choice. I always recommend these to my clients when we go on our little makeup shopping trips to Ulta. This is a good one. Next up is an oldie but goodie Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer. This is something I recommend for affordable skincare, people who are just getting into skincare, people who don't like greasy, kind of heavy moisturizer. This is a gel. This is one I bought for my husband. I also got one for my uncle. I recommend this to my students who are just starting out their makeup kit and they want an affordable, lightweight moisturizer that will work on everybody. It's a really good one, and I love that it's that lightweight gel formula. That's what really makes it so nice to wear. Okay, we're on another skincare item, Holy Grail. This is the Polish Choice Exfoliate. I've used multiple bottles of this. So good. It's basically like an exfoliating toner. So you wash your face, apply it with a cotton pad and wipe. The thing that's really cool about it is it doesn't like dry your skin out. It exfoliates and it removes the gunk, but it has like a little bit of this oil in it, which does something to keep you hydrated. And I did notice a huge difference when I started to use this. My skin actually felt tighter and it looked smoother and brighter. So I will use this forever. If you are willing to invest in your skin, you should get something like this because you'll actually see results. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week, or even if your skin can get used to it, you can use it every day. Okay, so I always tell my clients, hey, how are you taking off your makeup? Because I can give you all the tips to apply the makeup, but if you're not taking it off right, you're gonna wreck your skin. And I'm a very firm believer in sustainability, so I don't use the makeup remover wipes on a daily basis. I use something like this. This is the makeup eraser towel. I have so many of these. I love that you can just throw these in the wash and reuse them every week. You don't even need makeup remover. You can just literally wipe this and the texture just takes off all your makeup. That's really good for you who have sensitive eyes and you can't get like makeup remover near your eyes. I have a makeup artist friend who loves these for that reason. I use these in conjunction with my cleansing balm. I find that this really gets it off really good. And like I said, waterproof eye makeup, eyeliner, usually things that are hard to get off. It's this texture that really gets it off. So it's so much better for your skin, so much better for the environment. Get you a couple of these and just reuse them and then you're good. Okay, I don't have this here, but I've purchased it in the past. I learned about it from being in all the makeup artist Facebook groups. The Wiita Skin Food is like a miracle skin treatment. It's like a very rich, thick cream that you can use on the face or body. It's a miracle worker if you have dry skin, scaly, flaky, burns. It's kind of like the go-to if you have somebody with really problem skin and you need it to create like a new skin barrier essentially. I would even use it on my hands because I have like chronically dry hands. Like there's something wrong with my hands where I have to use like steroids and all the things, but I need heavy, rich creams like this. So definitely a kit staple for a makeup artist. It's like one of those holy grail items, and if you know, you know. Okay, hair care. So it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. I've been using this for years. Ever since I went blonde in my 20s, I was like, had dry, brittle hair. This is what saved me. So every time I wash my hair, I condition it. When I get out, I always put a leave-in treatment in. And this one really works. It's pricey though, y'all. So you got to catch it when it's on sale, but it's totally worth the money. Especially if, like I said, you have treated hair like mine. It is good, and I've been using it, like I said, for over 15 years. Okay, I love when I find an affordable dupe. I was on the hunt for a good brown liquid liner over the last couple months. I tried one from Fenty, didn't like that one. I bought the one from Urban Decay. It's okay. Then I bought this one from Amazon. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. It comes in black and brown. I got brown, and I was like, oh my god, this is so affordable. I think it's like close to $5, and it works even better than some of the high-end ones. And like I said, brown is the go-to color, I think, for daily liner use if you like a little wing, because it's just not as harsh as black, and I really like a brown liner. I'll use my black sometimes, but now it's all about brown, and this is such an affordable one that works really good. Okay, another really affordable product from NYX I don't have is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I carry it in my makeup kit, been using it for over 10 years. It's such a good dupe for the expensive brow pencils. I love the super skinny tip, gives you like the hair-like strokes. I use the black and the espresso all the time on my clients because they're really good, lightweight colors for dark hair and dark skin tones, and they don't look heavy. Such a great product, y'all. If you're looking for like a dupe for like the Anastasia Brow Wiz, you gotta check that one out. I think everybody knows what this is. This is the Lan Sleeping Mask. I finally got it this year during the Sephora sale. This is the mini one, but I see why people like it. It's a sleep mask, but I use it during the day. And to me, it's like, it's a completely different formula than most lip glosses, lip balms. It's hydrating, but it's almost like it coats your lips. It smells so good like candy, and it's got enough color where it almost looks like you're wearing like a lip gloss. It's such a luxury treat for your lips. This is what it looks like. See, it's thick. I love this. So if you're into like, you know, pampering, self-care, this is such a treat. Another treat, which I personally got recently, the Charlotte Tilbury. This is one of their little mini sets. It comes with a liner and lipstick. I got this from Sephora, but you can get it for sale now. And it's such a viral product for a reason. The Pillow Talk line from Charlotte Tilbury works on everybody. It's such a good color. On me, it goes on like a pinky nude, but on a lighter skin tone, it's like a wearable mauve. It's such a good color, man, and I think this is great to have in your makeup artist kit to wear on yourself. If you just don't know what color will look good on you, you can't go wrong with like a pinky brown like this. So I love like being able to try minis when you're like not sure about trying to get luxury products. It's such a good way to step into it. And you got to have the liner too. Like, I'm a big fan of wearing lip liner with almost every lip combo that I do. Okay, a couple more items. If you like skincare, like you're a skincare like fanatic like me, and you want to buy like and invest in it, the CEO Afterglow by Sunday Riley. I recently got into this because I went to the Atlanta masterclass. They came into town, and I got to try this, and I was so excited because I've always heard of the brand, and I was like, this is nice. Like, you know, when you have good skincare, you just immediately can see the difference. This is a brightening vitamin C gel, so it's really lightweight too. Do you see that? And it's got such a herbal botanical smell. What I learned about this brand is that it combines like the active chemical ingredients that really do the good work with plant botanicals, so that way it soothes your skin, so it's not so harsh and it doesn't hurt like some of the other really medical clinical lines. I've been using this every day. I love it so much. So it is a pricier brand, so if you can get it on sale, it's a good time. And you don't have to wait for the Sephora sale. Get it during Prime Day. Okay, so this is something I've been wanting to try for a long time. These little clicky pens. This is the NYX Fat Oil, and you click it and it comes up. And after watching a million videos, I learned that don't click it, but just barely from the top, because it will break because it's so soft. But I have this on my lips right now. This is the shade Viral. I love this product. It's such a good like hybrid lip gloss, lipstick, lip oil. It feels so good on the lips. And I think I got a really good shade, the shade Viral. It's like, again, that perfect pinky mauve. I would get more shades of this. Like, it's so gorgeous and feels so good on the skin. I would want to get a nude shade next. NYX is really coming through, y'all. A lot of mentions on this video. Another affordable brand, L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. I have multiple shades of this in my kit. I use this on my clients as a beautiful body glow because it just looks weird when you just do the face. You have to have something on the body. I'll use this underneath foundation as like that lit under lighting technique. I'll use this on top as like a glow. I actually barely carry any powder shimmer highlighters in my kit. I use liquids, and this is like one of the most affordable ones you're gonna get, and you get a ton of product in here. So like I said, they have multiple shades. I use light, medium, and dark on my clients, and I'm good to go. Random mention is the Crest white strips. I get a lot of compliments on my teeth, and it's this. I don't use any other whitening treatments. Whenever I have a fancy event coming up, like a couple weeks ago, my husband had his high school reunion and it was my birthday. I was like getting ready by using these, and I do it maybe like once a year. I'll do a couple, like I'll do like 3 or 4 of them, like every single day until the event, and I'm good to go. You keep it on for 45 minutes. It's kind of annoying, but I just like keep it on. I'm used to it, and then I'll take it off, and then I'm done. I've been using these forever. My mom actually gave me this one because she knows I like these, and she buys them for me when they're on sale. So now you can get them on sale. Last one, this is the Revlon Blowout Blow Dryer Brush. Man, this changed my life. So I was always a fan of the blowout. I used to go get my hair blown out all the time, but I could never do it myself. Like I really am not a hair person. I'm a makeup girl. But this changed my life, and I actually have a second one at my parents' house in Orlando. That's how much I use it. I don't even use a regular blow dryer anymore. I don't even use a brush. I just use this when I blow dry my hair. I let my hair dry like 80%, and then I'll come in, and the thing with this is the round brush. It gives you so much volume and a big bouncy curl. And if you suck at hair like me, you can still do well. I like this so much that I actually recommended it to my hairstylist, and because she's really good at blowouts, just to do on herself. And some of these dupes, I've tried some dupes for these, and they're not as good. I think Revlon was like the first one that really like kind of came on the scene with this brush. So y'all, if you suck at hair and you want that big bouncy blowout look, this is a game changer. I've had this for like 5+ years. I remember I got this when I was like pregnant with Bella, so maybe 6 years. And it's definitely holy grail status, y'all. So that is my list of Amazon beauty must-haves. I will link everything below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, completely 100% honest opinion. These are my affiliate links, so I do get a commission if you decide to buy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any recommendations, leave them below too, because I already have some of these things in my car. I got to re-up on some of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, have a great night. Ciao, fellas.